What is nucleophilic acyl substitution? Derivatives of carboxylic acids. What are derivatives of carboxylic acids? Acid chlorides, acid amides, esters, and anhydrates. These are derivatives of carboxylic acids. These derivatives of carboxylic acids undergo nucleophilic substitution on carbonyl carbon. So if you take RC double bond O Z, means Z is Cl in case of acid chloride, NH2 in case of amide, OR in case of ester, and OCOR in case of anhydrate. So it undergoes nucleophilic substitution like this. Oxygen gets negative charge, carbon gets positive charge. The negatively charged nucleophile will come and attack the positively charged carbon atom. So what will I get here? A tetrahedral intermediate is obtained. Unstable tetrahedral intermediate. Why it is unstable? Oxygen is negatively charged here. So the negative charge comes back, the leaving group leaves, and you will get the final nucleophilic substituted product. Okay, you will get the final nucleophilic substituted product. Again I am repeating, derivatives of carboxylic acids undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. So here if you see the nucleophilic substitution reaction, the order of reactivity depends on the leaving ability of the leaving group. Means leaving ability of Z here. So if you see, a weak base is a good leaving group. Means Cl minus is a weak base because it is a conjugate base of a strong acid. Then comes RCOO minus. Then comes RO minus. Then comes NH2 minus. Cl minus and RCOO minus are conjugate bases of acids. So they are weak bases. So weak bases are good leaving groups. So Cl minus is more reactive than RCO minus, which is more reactive than which is better leaving group than RO minus, which is also better leaving group than NH2 minus. So this is about leaving ability. This is order of leaving ability. Okay, a weak base is always a better leaving group. The conjugate base of a strong acid is always weak. Then, so what is the order of reactivity? If I see the order of reactivity, RCOCl is more reactive because Cl minus is a better leaving group. Then, which is more than anhydride. Acid chlorides are more reactive than acid anhydrates. Why acid anhydrates are more reactive? Because RCOO minus is a better leaving group than RO minus and RNH2. Then comes esters. And then comes amides. Okay, so this is about leaving ability. Order of reactivity and order of leaving ability. Since acid chlorides are more reactive, all the other derivatives can be prepared from acid chlorides. Means I can prepare amides, I can prepare esters, and I can prepare anhydrates from acid chlorides. Okay. Now, amides are least reactive. And amides are least reactive means I can prepare amide from acid chloride, anhydrate, and ester. But no other derivative of carboxylic acid can be prepared from amide. This point is very important. If you see the derivatives of carboxylic acids, the leaving ability of different derivatives is Cl minus is better leaving group than RCOO minus, which is better than RO minus, which is better than NH2 minus. So acid chlorides are more reactive than anhydrates. Anhydrates are more reactive than esters. Esters are more reactive than amides. So uh, because acid chlorides are more reactive, all the other three derivatives can be prepared from acid chlorides. And second most reactive is anhydrate. So we can prepare ester as well as amide from anhydrate. Similarly, we can prepare amide from ester. So these are different derivatives of carboxylic acids and their reactivity. So if you see amides are least reactive, and hence other derivatives cannot be obtained starting from amides. Acid chlorides and acid anhydrates are most reactive, whereas esters and amides are